In the previous tutorial, we discussed how to duplicate and splice videos. In this video, based on the spliced video, we will investigate how to manipulate the preview panel, how to save a project, how to set parameters for rendering and creating a video, and how to render a video. Firstly, I want to make the preview bigger. Go to the boundary of preview and sequencer, and try to find the position where the mouse changes its shape to an up and down arrow. Press the mouse left button, and drag down to a position you wanted. To zoom in or out the picture, in the preview, move the mouse the preview, scroll the mouse middle button up and down. To move picture in the preview, hold the mouse left button, and then move the mouse. Note that, for in both preview and sequencer, the operations are the same for zooming and moving. It is time to play the whole video. Go to the first frame. Play. This video has two parts. Each part is based on only one picture. If you are a YouTuber, and want to bring a big news, with only one picture, it is the best example, to show this picture. This first part is so-called zooming and panning. I will talk how to create a video from a picture, in the following tutorial. Please remember that we need save the current project. To save a project, go to Main menu, File. Click Save As. Select a folder which you want to save. Choose a file name. The suffix of a Blender project file is .blend. Then click Save As button. The last part of this video is to show how to set up output video format, and render and create an output video. The output format parameters are shown in the panel of top right panel. We will keep most of default values. You may change the output video folder name. Go to Output, and click the folder icon. A pop-up window is shown. Select a folder. Click Accept. The next is to change the file format to FFmpeg video. If it contains audio, select AAC as the audio code C. Let us save the project again. To create a video, go to Main menu, Render, and then click Render Animation. Rendering takes time. You can see the current frame number is keeping on changing. At the same time, a Blender render window is pop up. After rendering, let us find the output file and play the video. Find the output folder. Output file name is a number. Click the file and play. Thanks for taking time to watch this topic. If you do like my channel, X Science, please subscribe, comment, and share the videos to your friends. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.